Are you also ruining your skin with fake soap? Stop. Today, see how real and natural soap is made. Our natural journey begins with the pods of Gleditsia Sinensis. This is not an ordinary pod, but the best soap given by nature. We will carefully cut these pods into small pieces. Inside them is the natural power that creates foam and deeply cleanses the skin. After cutting, the next step is to grind them in a stone mill. We will grind them until they take the form of a fine powder. This powder is the strong base of our soap. Now it's time to soften and scent the skin. For this, we will get fresh leaves of Arborvitae from the forest. These leaves are excellent for skin rejuvenation. After carefully breaking them and washing them well, we will cut them into small pieces with the help of scissors. Now we will add these chopped fragrant leaves to the same Gleditsia berry powder. Now we will soak all these herbs in a large bowl with water and cover and leave it for at least 8 hours. During this time, the water will absorb all the effect and flavor of these herbs. After 8 hours, put this mixture in a kadai and put it on the fire to cook. Boil it well so that each particle releases its usefulness into the water. While the fire of wood is burning, we carefully collect the ash that falls from it. Now we will use ancient chemistry. We will not waste the wood ash that we burned. By mixing this ash with water, we will prepare an alkaline solution. When it is ready, strain it with a muslin cloth. We only want that pure herbal water. We will separate the rest of the foam. Now it is the turn of the oils that moisturize the skin. Take coconut oil, palm oil, and camellia oil in a bowl. After mixing these three, add that ash water to it. As soon as you add the ash water to the oil, you will see that it will turn white and a chemical reaction will start. Now comes the most important step. We will add this white oil mixture to our herbal water. Keep stirring it continuously. Slowly, this mixture will turn into a thick, beautiful brown paste. This is the moment when science and nature become one. Pour this hot paste into wooden frames and smooth it out. Now let it rest for 5 to 6 hours to set. When it hardens, remove it from the frame and cut it into small pieces with the help of a thin wire or thread. Look, your 100% natural, handmade soap is ready. This is not just soap, but a gift from nature. This ancient recipe will cleanse your skin of chemicals and give it a natural glow, just like how people took care of their skin centuries ago. If you liked this process, like the video and subscribe to learn more secrets of nature.